Our new product line, the Deco Bella Fridge Organizers, has been launched for sale in 4 different sizes with and without lids. Our products are made of PET material. Products made of PET and PS are very similar in the first glance. However, there is a very notable difference between 2 product types in terms of quality. The PS products can be easily shattered after sustaining a simple impact. PET products, on the other hand, are extremely resistant against impacts, and it is almost impossible to shatter them. You can use our PET products comfortably with all of your foods. Our PET products are in full compliance with the international standards regarding the food contact, and they do not contain BPA and heavy metals.